Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Nikomang Sinta Ardana Iswari. Now, in this video, I will explain about mixture research or the approach that combines qualitative and quantitative. Here's a piece from a mixed research and one to types of the mixed methods and explore rational design. In this design, research first use qualitative methods to discover important variables, understanding phenoms of the interest, and to inform the second methods and the quantitative. That tips of design often use a creating questionnaire of a rating schemes design to measure a various topic of interest. In an exploratory design, the result of the qualitative stage provide direction to the quantitative methods. And the quantitative result are used to validate or expand the qualitative findings. Data analysis in an exploratory design is the part. According to the first research stage, qualitative, and the second research stage, quantitative. For the example, analyze men's and women's habits regarding sitting position while in the class. Find out who usually sit in the front. Number 2, trigonalization design. In a trigonalization design, research use both quantitative and qualitative methods to study the same phenoms to determine whether they convergent and the single understand of the research problem being investigated. If not, then research should explore why the two methods provide different pictures. Quantitative and qualitative methods are given similarities, priorities, and all data is collated. Simulationally data can be analyzed together or separately. When analyzed together from data from qualitative research might have to be converted to quantitative data might have to be converted into qualitative data. If the data is analyzed separately, the confusion or the divergence of the result will be discussed. For the example, suppose you are the conducting market research to identify customer preferences regarding new products. Can use trigonalization to the product more credible and different result. And number 3, explanatory design. In this design, research first carry out the quantitative methods and then use a qualitative methods to follow up the reference quantitative findings. There's two types of data were analyzed separately, and the result of the qualitative analysis were used by research to explain the result of the quantitative research. This result has an unusual features in the school research, namely random assessment of the student to teacher. The main finding was that one teachers achieved significantly greater inserts in the assessment without groupings, whereas their teachers achievement a greater interest in the achievement without for the example include explanatory research regarding the relationship between family interaction and the chain in delinquency. Number two, mixed method issue. Advocacy lens the factor that can be used to categorize mixed method design is the presence or the absence of and the focussy lens, and the focussy lens occurs when the research for few implies that the goal of the research is the advocate for the improved treatment of the research participant in the words outside the research. Qualitative research usually use a profuse sampling where the research deliberately selects participants who are informed or they have experience with the general concept being investigates. Usually, samples are the small, meaning that a small number of the individuals can provide a lot of detailed, in-depth information that cannot be obtained by a large sample. And quantitative research usually want to select individuals who are the representative are the large population so that their research can be generalized to that population. And generally a random sampling strategy is preferred, but often this is not possible, especially in the additional setting. Confusion systematic or the progressive sampling should be used with the reflection, suggest, and the excursion sample size are the usually much less. That's the qualitative study. And then number B, a mixed model study in a single study. This may involve in the experimental study followed by qualitative data collection followed by quantitative analysis of the data after which it has been corrected into numbers. In a mixed model of the research, both quantitative and the qualitative approach to research can be addressed in each of the three stages of the research process. And the type of the inquiry are the usually quantitative, yeah, versus the exploratory or the usually qualitative. And the quantitative data collection and the operation versus a qualitative data collection and the operation. Statistic statistical analysis and the inference use qualitative analysis and the inference in it tracks query and directly use the dimension to create a classification system for the mixed model research. For the example analysis of the role of Indonesia workers in the answering statistics. And number three step in the conducting a mixed method study or the develop a clear relation for doing a mixed method study. Research must ask both a quantitative and a qualitative. Methods are needed to investigate the problem at the hand. If the reasons are not clear, research conducts with the mixed methods might not be approved. Develop a research question for the both the qualitative and then quantitative methods. In all research, the natures of the research question or the question will determine the type of the design to be used. Many research question can be answered using one or the both quantitative and qualitative research techniques. Design of mixed methods all the study indivisible mixed method study by their very nature requires the research of or the research team experience in the both quantitative and the qualitative methods research. And then is it is really the case that a single individual will have all the necessary skill and then to conduct a mixed method study determine the methods design must approach to the research question uh, or the question. The triangular design is the approach when a research tries to whether quantitative and qualitative method research can be into one the methods in understanding a phoneme nouns. Explanatory design is the approach if want to use a qualitative data to expand the finding of the quantitative study, or the vice versa. Exploratory design are the approach when one chooses of the first identify in relevant variables that might underlines of the phenomenon and study the relationship between these variables, or when information is needed to us is in the design quantitative and quantitative and collects and analyze the data. The data collection and analysis procedures described earlier in this text are a principle and approach for a mixed method study. Depending on the specific methods used, the difference is that two different types of data are collected and analyzed, sometimes sequentially, as in the exploratory and the explanatory design, and sometimes simulation, usually as in triangulation design. And then number four, evaluates mixed learning method. Evaluation is necessary for our research, not just make methods research. However, considering that mixed method research involves comparing different methods, it is of the particular importance here. Due to the fact that mixed methods research always involves quantitative and qualitative data and often two different pairs of the data collection, and evaluation of the such study is often difficult. However, its method should be evaluated according to the criteria we suggest and use with others methods. In the good mix method research, the two methods should complement each other or the answer difference equation related to the linear recent equation under by the study. Sometimes research will collect quantitative on the qualitative data, but it will not play a role with the answering any of the important research question. In this case, the data is merely additional, or the perhaps because research likes such data, and the project is not truly a mixed method approach. For the example, measuring student ability to mastery of a subject matters, knowing that difficulties fail by student, knowing the efficiency and the effectiveness of the learning strategies used by teachers, using learning media as a means of the supporting learning. Okay, that's all about the uh, okay, that's all about in this video. I will close with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om.